Hi students, welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVM School Chekapatnagaram, and this is your Valli addressing from SLVM School dealing with the subject English of class 6. So children, I hope the last lesson Klavartinali Ramakrishna is very clear to you guys, and in this video we are going to learn about our second part, that means 1B of our unit 1, that is an unexpected reward. An unexpected reward. What is the meaning of unexpected? In the sense, we don't have any idea about that. We never think about that. Suddenly it happens. Suddenly it happens. For example, we are going to school and we don't know. Unexpectedly, the school announced holiday. That's what an unexpected incident, right? For example, we are going to a movie. On that time, suddenly our best friend will come there. That is an unexpected moment, right? We don't think about that. That's what we call it as unexpected. We never expected. Reward means gift or prize or money. Reward in the sense gift. An unexpected gift. Shall we move to the lesson? Yeah. Look at the video clearly, ma. A boy and his grandfather were walking along a road. Suddenly, in this story, we have mainly the two characters are a boy and his grandfather. A boy and his grandfather were walking. Where they are walking? Along a road. They are walking on a road. They passed a farmer working hard on his land. They passed a farmer working hard on his land. While moving on to the road, look here, the grandson and grandfather working. On that time, suddenly a farmer coming and they are moving. Okay, on that time, suddenly the farmer is on working hard. The farmer had taken his ragged shirt. On the time, suddenly the farmer taken his ragged in the sense dirty, unclean. He take off his ragged shirt and worn out shoes, and also he removed the shoes and placed them at the road's edge. The farmer suddenly do one thing, a mischievous thing. What was that? He take off his shirt and he removed his shoes, and both the shirt and shoes he is carrying, and he placed that shoes and shirt on the edge, one side of the road. Why he placed his shirt and shoes on the road's edge? What happened? Is there any relation? Yeah, the boy felt he could play a little mischief. While looking the farmer's behavior, the boy felt that farmer is doing something. He is not happy. Why he is not happy? Yes, why he is not happy? What happened to the farmer? Why he is silent, and why he overcome his shirt and shoes, and why he placed on the road? What happened? Is the farmer is trying to commit suicide. That's why he taken his shirt and shoes. That's what boy felt. And he said to his granddad. Granddad means grandfather, and also we call him as grandpa. Yes, then the boy said to his grandfather that, why don't we take the man's shoes and shirt and hide behind the tree? Then the boy said, Grandfather, we will do one thing. We will take man's shoes and shirts and we will hide. Secretly, we will place the shoes and shirts of the farmer behind the tree. When he finds them missing, he will be so angry. He finds his shirt and shoes are not there. Obviously, he may get angry, right? Of course, if he want to, the person's psychology is basically of course, the person want to die. But his items, his things will missing on that time also. The person may get somewhat tension. If a real human being does not want to leave her single coin at any cost of the moment, whether he is dying, but also he don't want to lose his things when he is alive. So the boy understands the sense and he want to take the shirt and shoes and hide behind the tree. When the farmer finds his shoes and shirt are missing, obviously the farmer gets angry and and we will have the fun of watching his expressions. Then the boy said, we will have some fun. Why? Because the farmer may come and search for the shoes and shirt, right? We will watch his expressions. We will watch his angriness. We will watch his anxiety. And we will have some fun. Just like that, the boy said his feelings to grandfather. Next. But the grandfather replied that, grandson, never make fun of a farmer or hurt his heart. Grandson, you have to know one thing, never hurt our farmers. If you just want to feel happy, then let's do this instead. Then why we don't want to hurt our farmers? Is there anything special on farmers? Yes, farmers are our main food sources. If there is no farmer, we don't get food, right? So we have to pay our respect towards our farmers. We have to respect our farmers. Okay, so that's why the grandfather felt the same and expressed his feelings that don't hurt or don't play or don't be fun with farmers. But if you want to feel happy, then we can do one more thing. Instead of teasing farmer, we will do one more thing. What was that thing? Instead of hiding, they don't hide anything. But instead of hiding, they do one more thing. They did one more thing. What did they done? Yes, then take some coins and place them in each of the farmer's shoes. What did they do? Instead of hiding shirt and shoes, they did one crazy and useful thing. What was that? They taken some money, rupee coins. They taken some coins and they hide the coins on the farmer's shoes. Why the farmer is going to commit suicide? Lack of money, lack of needs. So they want to help, the grandfather want to help farmer. So they placed some coins on the shoes of the farmer. Then we will hide behind the tree and see what happens. Then after placing the coins on the shoes, they hide the shoes on the behind of the tree and they looked for what will happen, what was the reaction of the farmer. Then the boy did as his grandfather told him. After a little while, the farmer came for his clothes. After thinking of some aspects, The farmer came there. The farmer came there. Okay? Came for his clothes. He put on his ragged old shirt and his feet into his shoes. He felt something hard inside. After that, the man searched the clothes and shirt and shoes, and he felt while placing the shoes, he gets some weight. He gets some weight, and he felt something hard inside. And he observed that something is on the inside of the shoes, and annoyed, he took the show off to see what it was. Look here, of course it's slippers, but in lesson we have that it is shoes. Okay, on the shoes, the man taken the coins. Look at the hand of the man. There are some coins. Yes, annoyed, he took the shoe off to see what it was. He opened the shoe and he looked for that. There were coins. There were coins. He was astonished. Astonished means surprised. He was surprised and it was unexpected. For example, before going into the home, we leave our shoes. Or before going into the temple, we leave our slippers at the beside of the temple, right? Yes, did we expect any coins or any money in our shoes? No. Shall we expect anything? No. But here the same thing may happen as the coins may appear on the shoes of the farmer, and it was astonished thing. It was a very unexpected, surprising aspect which done on the lives of the farmer. Yes. Next, he looked up at the sky and fell to his knees. He looked up the sky and he fell down with knees. He fell down on knees. Oh, great God, you are so kind. The farmer is thanking the God. When I needed money the most, you sent me this gift. Then the person opens. Thank you very much, God. I need money now. So you think about me and you sent money to me. It's a gift. Thank you, God. And thank you to whoever you made your messenger. I don't know. From some other person, from some other messenger, you send money to me. I'm very happy. Just like that, the man, the farmer, praising the God. Then he walked home, overjoyed. He walked home with a super joy and super enjoyment. The boy felt proud and happy. Firstly, the boy felt that he must hide the shoes and shirt and he want to give some fun activity. But the grandfather changed the total view of the boy and they placed some coins on the shoes of the farmer so that they helped the farmer. With those help, the farmer was very happy and thanked the God. Grandfather said, "Grandson, the path to happiness is to make others happy." Then the grandfather given a suitable, a final justification that, "Grandson, if you want to look the others happy, just help them. Don't tease them, help them. Then obviously it's a way to happiness and make others also happy." We helped the farmer. The farmer is happy. While seeing the happiness of the farmer, we are happy. So if you want to make others fun, help them, not tease them. Just like that, the grandfather given the final suggestion, final way to the grandson. Okay children, I hope up to here everything is clear. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you everyone.